Good morning dear students. Welcome back on 25th August 2020 to English class. Class 8. Chapter number 3. Glimpse of the past. This chapter, read it yourself because in this chapter there is about our freedom fighters who fought very bravely for our freedom, and they tells about some things how they fought and how the British rules upon India before our independence, the history and the glimpse of tellings here from the 1757 to 1857. You have to read out these chapters yourselves, and I am going to solve out these chapters question answer because it's too easy chapters and have already read out before in your previous class. It means in your history books, that's only. And there we are talking about the Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, who was a social worker, Tipu Sultan, Lord Macaulay, about the Begum Hazrat. That's why now you have to solve out the question answer from the books, which I am going to write on board. There, first, second, third and fourth question answer I am going to write on board, and other question answer I have written in books. You have also note down in your copy these question answer. Okay, now let me define first questions from there. Do you think the Indian princes were short-sighted in their approach to the event of 1757? Yes. The Indian princes were short-sighted in their approach. They fought against each other with the help of the British. Thus, the British became the virtual rulers. Second question. How did the East India Company subdue the Indian princes? The East India Company spread their wings in India to provide their trade. They supported one Indian prince to finish the other. As a result, power passed on to their hand. Third question. Quote the words used by Ram Mohan Roy to say that every religion teaches the same principle. Same principle. Third answer. The word Ram Mohan Roy spoken to his wife were cows are of different color, but the color of their milk is the same. That different teachers have different opinion, but the essence of every religion is the same. Now, fourth question. In what way did the British officer exploit Indian? Answer. The British rule passed a resolution under the which an Indian could be sent to jail without trial in a court. The goods manufactured in England were exempt from the custom duty. The officer prospered on the company's load and their private business fairly. Now student, these are 4 questions from your textbook, and the 5th questions answer in your books, which I am going to tell you, and you have to note down also this 5th questions in copy also. Now 5th question. Name these people. First, the ruler who fought paid battle against the British and died fighting, whose name is Tipu Sultan of Mysore. Tipu Sultan of Mysore. Second question. The person who wanted to reform the society. Who is here? Raja Ram Mohan Roy of Bengal. Raja Ram Mohan Roy of Bengal. Second question's answer, Raja Ram Mohan Roy of Bengal. Now third question. The person who recommended the introduction of English education in India. Education of India, it means Lord Macaulay. Lord Macaulay. Fourth question. The popular leader who lead the revolt? Who lead the revolt? Who is Nana Sahib Peshwa, Nana Sahib Peshwa, Kunwar Singh, Begum Hazrat Mahal. These are the three people. Who are there? The Nana Sahib Peshwa, Kunwar Singh, Begum Hazrat Mahal. These are the people. These are the popular leader who lead the revolt. Okay guys, now you have to note down these question answer complete in your copy, and before solving the question answer, read out the chapters third, glimpse of the past, and hope you will easily understand these chapters in your own words. Now we will see you in the next video. Thank you.